So we're given that f of z is equal to this cubic, where z is a complex number. We want to show that z plus 4 is a factor. So that means we can evaluate f of negative 4. So negative 4 cubed is negative 64. Negative 4 squared is 16, so 2z squared would be 32. Then this will end up being plus 20 plus 12. So that's negative 64. So this is going to be 52, 64, add 64 is equal to 0. And that implies that z plus 4 is a factor. So we now want to solve this cubic. So z cubed plus 2z squared minus 5z add 12 will be equal to z plus 4 times some quadratic, which must start with z squared because this is a z cubed. We don't know what the middle will be, but if that's a plus 4 and that's a plus 12, it must finish with a plus 3. So let's look at the z squared coefficients. So on the left, that's 2. Over here, we'll get a plus 4, which tells us that a equals negative 2. So if we have z plus 4, z squared minus 2z add 3 is equal to 0. That means that z equals negative 4, or z squared minus 2z add 3 is equal to 0. So z would be equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 take away 4 times 1 times 3 all over 2. So that's 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 take away 12, which is 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 I. Remember, 8 is 4 times 2. Root 4, root 2 is 2 root 2. And that's all over 2. So that's going to give us 1 plus or minus I root 2.